welcome back to my channel. My name is Vinay. I'm a DJ, producer, sound engineer and a tutor. Well, this is my first tutorial on Ableton Live. Today I'm going to show you how to make a mashup in just 5 minutes. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So let's start. So I have already created this folder. So here we have 2 tracks with different energy and genre. First one is Bollywood superhit track Ramta Jogi from superhit movie Tal, soundtrack originally made by one of the legend from India, A.R. Rahman. And the second, we have this Coco by the great producer O.T. Genesis and remixed by my very close friend, a great DJ and a producer, Shameless Money. He's also from India. With these tracks, so first thing we need to see, are they both tracks in same keys? So before we start working on Ableton, we will upload this track in the software called Mixed in Key, where we will drag this track. So if you see this, both the tracks are almost the same BPM. One is 149 BPM and the second one is 150. So it means it will be very easy to make the mashup without losing their energy. Both the tracks have different keys, which is 6A and 3A. Let's take a closer look at the camloid circle. Now this is all linked with music theory, which we will cover in coming videos, and if you are already knowing this theory, it will be very easy for you. So let's check the difference of semitones between 6A to 3A. So 6A is G minor and 3A is B flat minor. So if you see, there is only 3 semitone difference, which seems to be very good and workable, because if you see, if you have to shift or transpose the track with more than 3 semitones, you can easily feel the difference in the pitch and the energy of the track. So now let's start Ableton. And Ableton. So now we drag this track and import it to Ableton. Let's assign them with individual channel. So first we need to hear Ramta Jogi, which we need to double click and hear it. So this will be the part where we'll start the build up and use the main drop of other track. Let's see the energy of second track, which is a remix of Coco. So we have this built up of Coco, which we will sync with the first track. Now we have to warp both the tracks so that it's synced beat to beat. So after the warping is done, now select the Complex Pro from the warp mode. We will cover the warping lesson in coming videos in depth. So now let's drag this track on arrangement view by clicking and holding the track with your left mouse button and then press tab on your keyboard to switch it over to arrangement view. That is back to orange button. Now we drag the second track, which is already warped, with the same process. So this is the point where we need to start our build up. So let's drag the second track here. click on the grid where I need the second track to start from. Then select the portion which you want to delete and then press delete. So let's see the progress. If we hear it, we can notice that both vocals are clashing, which is not sounding good. So now we will automate the volume on the second track. If you see, there is a tab below the channel 3A. Click and select mixer. After selecting it, you will see the option track volume. And you can see we have this automation red line on the track which we need to edit as per our requirement. So click once to create a breakpoint, and second breakpoint where we need to start the track and move the volume gradually. So let's delete the main drop of the first track and use the second track's main drop with the same process. Ctrl E and then delete. Now there is only one problem. Both tracks have different keys which does not sound good as we require. So let's check. Coco was 6A and Ranta Jogi was 3A, that is G minor and B flat minor. So if we want to keep the first track on 3A, then we need to shift the second track 3 semitone above, that means plus 3 semitones. So now we have the perfect mashup. So friends, thanks for watching. I hope you liked the tutorial and the mashup. And in case if you want this mashup, the complete track mastered, don't forget to subscribe and send me your email ID. I'll mail it to you personally. Thanks for watching. Keep learning and take care.